Oh yeah.
So here we're doing a little bit of cooking. This is called croutons. It's a Newfoundland dish. So I'm here at a little picnic here. So they're just doing a little bit of cooking. Kind of neat to see these croutons. And what else we got here? Here we have
sausage.
Cooking some sausages. Yummy.
Yeah.
I love sausages.
They're good. With some ketchup and mustard.
Yeah. That's a very strong stove, it seems, because it's really frying those up pretty good, eh? I wouldn't think that. Sometimes when you think of those stoves, you don't think would be strong enough to fry up sausages or whatever, eh? But those are pretty strong.
You know who owns the stove?
Who's that?
Susan.
Wow.
Suzanne.
Wow, it's good. Nice
The
stove.
Susan epidemic going around, I believe.
Yeah, it is. You said that this morning. That's why.
And then also too is we could also have beans here. Beans, I like beans too, so and there's a little bit of sausages. Yeah, that was exciting to see. Oh, fancy molasses.
Mm-hmm.
So what does?
You put molasses on your toutons.
Oh, okay. Like after.
When they're cooked, you put them on your plate. You pour a little bit over it. You eat it. It's really good.
Yeah. I like molasses too. Right. Yeah. I always tell a funny story because I'm from New Brunswick.
Yeah.
And you know, like sometimes there's rural parts of New Brunswick that are just kind of, I don't want to say poor, but people have a hard time, right? And I remember at work there was a guy where his mother was a single mom having a difficult time, and that's pretty much like all they ate was like they'd have like a piece of bread, and with a little bit of molasses over it, and that's kind of all they ate, like just over and over again, right? So yeah.
So, you bought them in the containers like that? So, this is something that we started doing lately.
Oh, because I mean, I love them, right?
Yeah, but it's sometimes with the bread dough, trying to tear it apart and stuff is...
the pizza dough, too, so big.
Yeah. But these were nice and convenient for today to...
It's just a beautiful day anyways. Not too hot, not too cold.
When I was home summer, my parents got an account set up with
Is that a phone or what the hell is that?
Oh, it's just a tablet. So this game here, what's it called again?
I don't know.
Beanbag toss, huh? Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's fun. It's kind of like horseshoes, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
There used to be a game too. It was called lawn darts. You remember that?
Lawn darts.
Yeah.
They were so dangerous.
But the thing about them is they became illegal, right?
Hey.
Because I think a little kid got killed.
Oh my God.
And they were forced to take it off the market.
I used to play these. When you throw them up, they come down fast.
Yeah, but it was one of the funnest games. It was a really fun
game.
game.
You gotta put points. She got 7.
Oh, she got another one, she?
Yeah, I just took it out the one.
Okay.
Look, Jennifer works here. I mean, she gets before she wins.
It's name your tablet.
It's a Samsung.
How new is it?
It's about 2 years old. Tablets are amazing though, right?
Yeah.
They can do like everything, right?
Sounds like you're from up away though, are you?
What's that?
You from up away?
Yeah, I'm from the mainland.
Oh, are you? What part of the mainland?
New Brunswick.
Oh, okay, cool.
I spent a lot of summers in
Do you like it here?
Oh, really?
Gagetown.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Do you like it here?
It's okay.
You'll get used to it.
Yeah.
I brought back the package
You son of a fucking bitch. Let me look at you taping that, eh?
What's that?
You taping that?
Well, I need to show I need to show my friends, right?
Yeah, oh yeah. Just don't get me on video, please.
Oh no, I won't.
Thank you.
There it is.
I don't mind you taking pictures or something. But I don't like
Great, I believe that.
You need two more to win.
Now.
You need two more.
Gloria enjoyed what she was doing, right? Recreating and doing this kind of stuff, and you know.
Look at it. You go.
She knows how to maneuver herself now.
No, I don't.
She had, I forgot to add a No, because we don't have the beads to get off the island, right? It's just outrageous. Fly out of this plastic, drive out of this
Oh, we could destroy. Stay out of this thing. You like to do with this?
I'm gonna pass. Yeah, my family here, but that's good. I just think of the opportunities. Michael, do you want to have a game? Tax for that.
Yeah, no, gas went up again last night.
Oh yeah, that's not
Much.
2 point something cents.
going up again up away this year.
Have a game, boy.
Usually just
What's holding you back?
O'clock now, we got 2 minutes before dinner, there's 2 minutes to go.
I'm so glad I got a picture of you.
I didn't see him before.
I did have him years ago, probably.
There's 7 people.
The beans being cooked.
Every now and again I'll go out for a breeze what she's doing.
Yeah, well, for a little drop it here.
This is a nice place. This is a nice place for a little fire,
Time's it.
especially especially in the nighttime. Little campfire here,
How about I say 12-ish?
bonfire. Sit around, tell stories.
Almost done.
Nice little benches.
Hold on, let me wait.
You're not gonna waste away, are you? Don't waste away on me. It's not before.
Nice little campfire. Nice little bonfire here.
Pull that out today. Has to be. Up, yeah, little
Did
bird.
you? Man, I believe you want a Coke.
I do, thank you.
And the end result looks very, very good. So those pastries are the croutons, and then there's sausages, and then there's beans, and there's my Pepsi. Looks very good.
Michael?
Oh, I forgot I need the fork.
And of course, dessert. This is a nice cake. I don't know exactly what kind it is, but it definitely looks good. So it's always nice to finish off a meal with a nice dessert. It looks pretty good.
This one I don't see the top.
Away from me, Danny.
Or you don't like sweet stuff.
So this game, I've never played it, but they say that it's called a washer game. So you probably try to, it's kind of probably something like the same idea as horseshoes, right? Where you try to throw the washer in the middle, right? Yep, probably get to throw the washers in the middle, right? Just like horseshoes. same idea as the same idea as the beanbag game, right?
Yeah, probably.
It's just about throwing either bean bags or washers or whatever into a target on the other side and vice versa.
I couldn't say yet. I got a catch. I know what you're saying about Coral. I got a catch. I got Coral all over my floor. The bedroom floors and stuff.
Yeah.
That's everywhere. But I know.
You don't need 4 haircuts, said 4 blonde haircuts.
No, no.
You think that was a fake, but it is. Yep. I got 3 long haircuts. I got 2 long haircuts and 1 short haircut. You must have any cats and dogs in your house.
Look at them.
Yeah, all it means is that there's swimming happening every day, and never being wrong every day, and you know.
But you don't know if it is happening.
Now something like that's the interpretation center, Daniels River interpretation center. It's only been there, I think, the last 3-4 years now. Yes, I was only a couple of them. Nice trails around there. Ever remember your daughter swimming there? Oh my God, it's nice.
I'm not supposed to do
I used to love it out here. My grandparents had a house in ground.
Wow.
Greta, I always thought it was Greta Young, but then when I started to actually say her name, I'm not going to correct her. No, it's Rita. It's my Greta, it's Rita.
Rita sounds like
It's all
Oh, the rhythm of my heart, beating like a drum. The words I love you are rolling off my heart. Oh, never will I roam. No right way to go. Where the ocean meets the sky, I'll be staying.